Hi, this is Dayton Schrader in San Antonio, Texas, a broker associate with eXp Realty and the Schrader Group. I wanted to give you a third quarter update on what's going on in the market. It was a tough third quarter. We had interest rate fatigue. It wasn't hot as it normally is in San Antonio, but it was still 100 degrees several days. That slows people down. And typically, historically, we lose about 2 weeks in August with the back to school, tax-free weekend, our holiday, and all the distractions that come with back to school, but things typically pick up after Labor Day. So I think there's some pent-up demand now moving forward. I think we're going to have a good fourth quarter. We caught a break on the interest rates. The Fed dropped a quarter point, which was expected. It's already baked into the numbers on mortgages, but they're hovering in the low sixes now. We're not in the fives yet without a buy down or something, but they are in the low sixes. If they get down to 5.5 or something like that, I think we'll see a good run in the market. We didn't have the military PCS like we normally do. That was suspended. And so we normally would get hundreds, if not thousands, of military coming into San Antonio. We just didn't have it this year. Expectation is that's going to ramp up in the fourth quarter and certainly get back to the standard. The other thing was interesting was from 2010 to about 2015, builders had about 26% of the market overall. And then it started growing in the low 30s as a share of market for total closings. But then the supply chain issues came up, COVID and all that sort of thing. Builders fell back to 20% of the market, and the resale market took off. And that's where people realized all that appreciation. There were multiple offers, bidding wars. And a year and a half, 2 years later, the builders caught back up. Supply chain issues have been resolved. They had abundant inventory. And so they went from 20% market share to over 40% market share for the last 3 years. So they are dominating the market. They've got the interest carry forwards and the buy downs that they can do, and they got the margin enough a lower basis so they can do that and be more aggressive on selling houses. The resale market makes it very difficult to compete. Now, the silver lining is in certain neighborhoods, there's the submarkets, the market's still really good. Older, leafy, established neighborhoods where you're not competing directly with a builder are selling. A good-looking house that's priced well, presented correctly, will sell fairly quickly. The rest of the market is sitting in about 90 to 100 days on market right now. And if you're in the suburbs where you're competing with a builder, either in the neighborhood that you're in or adjacent neighborhood, they're offering all kinds of incentives. It makes it a little bit tougher. Anybody that bought in 2021 to 2025 has been really flat on appreciation. Prior to that, we had the greatest run we've ever had in San Antonio. But now, this last 4 years has been very flat. And so that takes a lot of people out of the market when they didn't realize any appreciation. They've got their VA funding fee stacked on top of their purchase price and everything else. So those people are kind of dead in the water right now, unless something significantly compelling is going on in their life. And that does happen, thankfully, for us. So there's some opportunities there, but they are not what we normally expect. I'm very optimistic about the fourth quarter. I'm much more optimistic about 2026. I think we're going to do fine. So the good news is the world's still turning. It's not turning as fast as we'd like, but there's still plenty of opportunity out there. Some great buys if you want to buy new, if you're coming out of an apartment, or you have accumulated a great deal of equity in your house. If it's older, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20 years old. If it's updated and presents well, it'll sell very quickly, and we can get you into a new house or get you into whatever it is you want. So thank you very much for your business and your trust. So on behalf of my team, myself, I'm super grateful for the relationships we have, the trust that's placed in us, and it's an honor to serve. So thank you very much. Have a great day.